Okay, I've got the weirdest thing happening in my Yukon. If I put those guys on, there's no audio. Like you can't, or sorry, there's no blinker noise. If I go there, you can't hear it. And if you go there, you don't hear it. Okay, so there's the radio, right? I hear audio there. Nothing's coming out of here. So I'm thinking that the blinker noise in this vehicle is coming from that speaker and I need to replace it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I picked up a new Bose speaker. It was pretty cheap, like 30 bucks shipped. So that's pretty cool. It's actually a Bose speaker. That's pretty cool. So now we're gonna try and get to this. It looks a little bit tricky, to tell you the truth. Anyways, I'm taking you along for the ride. Let's do it. I brought a kid's plastic knife. This guy right here. We'll see if that works. Oh, that is really in there. Okay. Okay. That just pops off. Okay, pulled out. A little clip that went right in there. That pulled out. I've never actually seen whatever this is on my display. Anyways, very interesting. Okay. Okay, I can see the speaker. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay, I don't think I need to do more than that. That's good. Kind of prop it up with the knife there. So now I'm just gonna go get the right tool to pop that out. I've got a 7mm wrench. I tried 9/32, and can I unscrew it is the question. So this will be the exact same for a 2015 to 2020 GMC Yukon or a Suburban. And this is a Yukon XL. Uh-oh. Oh my word, where did that sucker go? I'm hoping that this does the job. Okay, we got the speaker out. There is a rip in it. That was a little bit crazy. And it looks pretty crowded on the inside too. So there's just a little clip right there that you just press. And then it just pops right out. So that just slid right out. But man, that screw right there, that is hard. And honestly, do you think you need a screw that long back there? That was a bit ridiculous. You could have saved some money on that. Yeah, you had to unscrew that thing up like it, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch or an inch almost. Okay, let's get the new speaker in. Okay, let's open up this guy right here. So it came nicely packed. Thank you very much. eBay. I think I saw them on Amazon as well, but yeah, this guy had a whole slew of these brand new speakers. Bose. Anyways, that's pretty sweet, hey? So let's check these out. So, they look almost identical. There's the backs, that's the old one. That's the new one. Yeah. Anyways, let's get it in. Okay, going in. Okay. That sounds right. Let's, before I screw anything down, let's just turn on the stereo. Yeah, it's working. If I go menu, and I go tone. Oh, I have beeping. I haven't had beeping. Oh yeah, it's totally working. And if I go that, no blinkers, but there's a door chime. One in right here. Like so. And get that in there. This would be a lot easier to get this done without the windshield, that's for sure. This kind of works the best. Wear rubber gloves, get your little guy on there, and then you can just screw them up. The one closest to you, not a problem. The one up by that windshield, a problem. This guy. I guess if I took that off, it'd make my life easier. Okay, it's in, new speaker's in. Now I just gotta put everything all back together. That's the plan, at least. Okay, that definitely worked. Okay, and then that's just gonna come down like that. Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm in. I'm losing my light. I definitely had a ding ding. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to do the chimes. Like, oh, the blinker works. It works. That was so sweet. Okay, so that was the fix. So my blinker was 100% dead, and it ended up being just that ripped speaker, which was like 30 bucks and you know, a 15-minute job or so. So that's pretty sweet. So if your blinker isn't blinking, it could be two things. Well, it could be a number of things. One, your speaker could be ripped, just like mine, and then it will work. Two, I did see it in the menu in here. So if we go back to home and we go to settings, I did see a setting in here that I played with. Vehicle, let's go vehicle. Collision, lighting. Comfort maybe? Chime, there. I played with that one a bit. So that could probably be turned down. Okay, now if I go back, and now if I shut this off, no, it doesn't affect the chime. I don't know what that chime is, but anyway, so there we go, we fixed it. It ended up just being that blown speaker, and putting in the new speaker, we're good to go. I did lose one 7mm old socket somewhere behind the dash. It's slipped out of my fingers. Hopefully it falls down. Anyways, that's for another day. Come on, Hattie. Let's go inside. It's freezing out here. Here's that blown speaker again. So you can see right there, she was ripped. Seems odd that it would just rip, hey? Unless someone like put something in and just gave it a good old, I don't know. I don't think someone would do that though. And it was kind of rusty underneath there too. Anyways, for the 30 or 40 bucks that I spent for the new one, that was cool. And now I got a magnet, right? Oh yeah, got myself a magnet. Anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.